Hello everybody. Today I'm going to fix some gas cans. I've been having some trouble with them and we're going to make them work like they did in the 80s. My solution is the gas can spout replacement kit. High flow, leak free, easy to install. Definitely not leak free with all the safety nonsense ones. High flow, leak free, easy to install, strengthen and thicken. I don't know exactly what that's supposed to mean. And durable. Well, let's open up the box and see what we got. So what I'm doing is replacing this style, all this springy stuff, gas leaks. These leak every time I open the gas can and I get gas all over my hands. That's no good. I don't know what that's saving. So let's open up the box and see what we got. This is a 3-pack and it's got these for the fine threaded ones and these for the coarse threaded ones. I have the coarse threaded ones. And look at that, vents. It comes with a drill bit to install the vents. And here is the spouts. Just like what I grew up with. Those caps screw on, so that's pretty good. I'd prefer the push on, but take what I can get. It comes with the directions. Shows where to install the vents and all that. There's all the included parts. And you can measure to tell if you got fine threads or coarse threads, but it's pretty obvious. If one doesn't work, try the other one. If it's not too noticeable, but we'll get this going here. Should take 3 to 5 minutes, we'll see. I've got a 2-gallon gas can here. Probably install the vent right in there somewhere. Be sure the gas cans are empty and aired out before beginning. Things will get really hot really fast if not. So be careful. Get the drill bit going here. I'll use the DeWalt drill from 1995. Here we go. Don't believe any debris went in there. And that simply presses in like that. Next, we'll get one of the adapters. Let's see. No, mine is the fine threaded. I've got a wasp wanting to build a nest right here. So that's going to make a little entrance here and there. That may make the video more entertaining. That one's done. And that wasp is wanting to hang out with me. Let's go ahead and do the second one. Get a little wild with the drill there. There it goes. I don't see any bits in there, so that's a good thing. Get this style vent done. That wasp is back, so that's awesome. There, I think I got that one finally. And I instantly have 2 good gas cans now. Once again, this is the gas can spout replacement kit, and I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching.